Here is our main function. In the first time when we plug the wire into the cable, outlet will up, and we just can adjust the volume value, and we cannot push any button because it won't respond anything. You can see it in my code. And you can see when I re-plug the wire into the cable, I just can adjust the volume, and I can push any button. And when I hold the KC, and you can see the blue cable on for about 2 seconds, then let on and the cable is start. Now it's available to use. And you can see in my code in the line 121, our program will enter to the while loop. And you can see in while function, the variable count time have to less than 50,000. This means if we start the cable, and the cable will wait for approximately 8 minutes. And if we don't push any button at that time, the cable will shut down. And if we want to use, we have to start the cable again. And you can delete this code. I just want to save energy. And our program will move to switch case function. Which case 1, 2, 3, 4 I use for run the application, and run up is the function to run an application. You can see it in my code. And for example, this application has a quick launch function that's a combination of control, shift, alt, and 6. So when I press the 6 keys and press the enter in the keypad, the application will open. However, you can see when I press the key 6, the LED is stay on for only 2 seconds, and I have to press the enter the button C when the light is on to open the application. You know, I do this because when we loading an app, it will take a long time, and I don't want the app to run when I accidentally press the wrong button. You know, it's just a safety function. And the next function is case file. It means butterfly. I will bring the word into the screen. You can see, and I have a delay about 500 microseconds. So we can press this button continuously. And the rest function for my custom cable is just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or Ctrl Z for copy, paste, or redo and undo. And you can see case B, the button B. I think it's really helpful for coder and on code or write the secret for the board. I will attach in video description. And thanks for watching. Bye. Give me one subscribe and one like. Thanks.